How you doing? Welcome back. This is Rick with Winders Ranger. Just wanted to give you a quick update on the performance of the South Bend clutch that I had put in a few months ago. We've since reached the break-in period, and we're actually past that now. I think the break-in period was 500 miles. We're probably at like 650 miles, maybe 700 miles on the clutch now. And I decided it would be a good time before the trip coming up to go ahead and hook up to the trailer and just give a test run. I had some maintenance I had to get done to the trailer anyway, which gave me an opportunity to just test it out to see how the clutch and the truck was going to do, pulling the weight of the fifth wheel trailer that we have. The trailer has a gross vehicle weight of 15,500 pounds, but today I'd say we were probably more in the 10 to 12,000 pound range. I did have a full tank of water, so that was probably an extra, we've rounded up around 1,000 pounds or so, so probably in the 12,000 pound range, I'm guessing. I didn't have it weighed or anything like that, but overall the truck did pretty good. The clutch performed okay. Seems to actually do a little bit better with a load on the truck than it does when the truck's empty. One of the issues that I complained about early on was how noisy the South Bend clutch is. It's considerably more noisy than the stock clutch was. Maybe that's inherent to it being a heavier duty clutch. I don't know. This particular one was a single disc South Bend clutch that I had put in. I've read on their website some trucks tend to develop noises in the drivetrain. Some of them don't, and they attribute that to the different trucks, the type of wear and tear that particular truck has been subjected to. So I don't know. I don't know if that's just something inherent to my truck or if there's something with that clutch, that brand of clutch that makes them noisy. I really couldn't say. But its performance, I would say overall hasn't really improved after the break-in period. It has gotten a little bit quieter, and over the next 1,000 miles I would anticipate maybe it'll get a little bit quieter, but still sounds considerably more noisy than the stock clutch was. One of the issues that I've seen develop with mine is it tends to grab a little bit when the clutch is cold, first and second gear. When I'm starting out from a stop, I actually get a little bit of a hop in the rear end of the truck, so I don't know if maybe that's just the clutch grabbing, or maybe I'm getting some axle wrap. I don't know. It definitely seems like I'm getting more power from the drivetrain or from the motor down to the wheels, so it could be axle wrap. I know there's some remedies for that also, but overall I would say my opinion of South Bend and the clutch overall that I've got so far, it's improved a little bit, but I'm still neutral as far as whether or not I could recommend this particular clutch to somebody else based on my experience and what I've had. Maybe I've got an issue with the product that I got. I don't know. I have nothing to compare it to other than the clutch that I had taken out. So I don't want to give them a bad name or anything. That's not what I'm after. Just want to give you my opinion on what this clutch and its performance has been for me. So this trip coming up, it's going to be, we'll probably have all said and done around 3,000 miles. So when that's over, maybe I'll do another update if there's something earth-shattering or earth-breaking as far as news is the performance of this clutch when we get back, or over the trip, if it does better, does worse, if I find myself sitting on the side of the road waiting for a tow truck. I don't know. But anyway, appreciate you tuning in and watching. If you like what we're doing here, hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to stay tuned for more videos in the future. And we'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks again. Bye.